Okay, welcome back. What I want to do is continue with the sessions on health and safety, okay, and the risk of not complying with health and safety. Okay. Now again, you need to read the information for yourself, extract the information and make it your own. There's no easy path to this. Now, for those people who would like a playlist, you need to create your own playlist where possible and bringing the information together. Okay? That means that it takes time. Now, although you only have, some of my videos may say 6 minutes, 10 minutes, and so forth, it takes weeks to put these things together. Okay? Well, let me be more precise. It takes months to put these work together. Okay? So what you then see is only maybe 10-15 minutes of quite possibly 6 months work. Okay? So again, please take the time out to read the information. Okay? Again, aims and objectives. Okay? Here, accidents on construction sites. Now, be aware that this tends to be one of the most dangerous places to be. It's on a construction site. Okay. Now, read the information, extract it, make it your own. Okay. Look at what needs to be done. Always refer to the IEE regs. That will give you an outline as to what needs to be done and how, and if there are any changes which you need to comply with. Now, at the moment it is the 18th edition, but that does not mean to say that there won't be amendments to the 18th edition, so keep that in mind. Sorry. Now, I don't need to read a lot of this to you because it's self-explanatory. You have to read it for yourselves. Now, do the multi-choice questions, because when you come to do the sitting gills, you will be doing an online test, and this allows you and gives you practice for that online test criteria. So get it done. Okay, thank you for your time. I hope you have had a good day and found the information useful. Thank you. Bye-bye.